Hello guys, and welcome to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you 10 steps on how to speed up your PC if it is running slow. Anytime that you try working on your PC, it's lagging and very slow, like meaning the booting process, opening file, accessing the PC, the computer is just slow. Without further ado,
Delay.
let's get into the video and solve this problem. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. It's free. First step to go is to turn on background apps. To do this, go to your taskbar and click on your start button. Go to your settings and click on privacy. Now on your left side, scroll down and click on background apps. Now under the background apps, you need to turn this off. Click on it to turn it off. With this option, turning it off means when the PC is booted into Windows, all the apps which used to work automatically or runs without your notice will stop working. And you might be asking a question like, disabling all these apps, can I still use them? Yes, you can. All these apps are accessible as they are still on the computer. Any of the app that you want to use, open them and you are good to go. Now the next step is to right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now under the Task Manager, now go to the Startup button. Click on the Startup button. Now on the Startup button, all these apps start working when your computer is turned on, and right beside it
Is the rating and impact of each app performance on the
PC. With this, you can disable any of the app which is of no use to you at the moment. So to do this, right click any of the app and click on disable, and right click on it and disable them. So either of the app which is not usable for you, just right click on it and disable it. So that is how to go by this step to the next step. Now on this step, we are going to be using the run command to clear all temporary files on the computer. Now to do this, go to your taskbar and right click on the start button and click on run. Now in the run, type in temp and then click on OK. Now these are all temporary files, so you need to delete all of them. Just Ctrl plus A and then Shift delete to delete all the files. You click on do this for all and continue. Do this and then skip. Now these files left, meaning Windows is still using them. That is why they are not being deleted. So you can leave them behind and we move to the next. In this step, we are going to be using the run command again. Using the run command once again, go back to the start button again and right click on it and run. Now under here, now you type in %temp%. Type in %temp% and then click on OK. Now these are all temporary files too, so highlight them as we used to. Just use Ctrl plus A to select them all and then Shift plus delete, then select yes. Right, mark this and then continue. Do this for all, then skip. Right, these are as we earlier on said, these are files which the Windows is still using. That is why they are not being deleted, so we leave them and then we move to the next step. Using the run command again with the shortcut key, press Windows key plus R. Now type in prefetch and OK. Yes, click on continue to give you access. As you can see, these are all temporary files. Like we did in the previous steps, just highlight them all, right click on them and delete all files. Do this for all and skip. And that is how to clear all temporary files on the computer. We are moving to the next step. Click on the start button and go to your settings. Now on the settings, go to system. On your left side here, scroll down and select storage. Click on storage and select your drive C, which is here. First, click on apps and features. Under the apps and features, open this, go and sort them by size. Okay, as we sort by size, any app which is occupying space that is not being useful to you, just uninstall it like this. You just click, if this is the app which is not being useful to me, just click on this and click on uninstall, and that is how to uninstall the apps here. Now go back and then click on temporary files. Now under the temporary files, just wait for it to load. Under the temporary files, it will show us all our temporary files which are not usable for us. So meaning I've already cleared it some few weeks ago. That is why the size is not big here. So your machine, the size could be bigger than this. So after being highlighted all the temporary files, just click on remove files, and now our temporary files have been cleared. Go back, and that is how to clear the temporary files on your storage. Now we move to the next step. This is our next step. We go to the service tab. Come here onto your search bar, or you click on your start button and search for services. Right, and this is here. Click on the best match. Now under the service tab, scroll down and search for Windows Search, and here it is. Now stop it. Yes, as it is being stopped, so right click on it and go to properties. Now under here on the startup type, open there and select disable and then apply. We are good to go. On this step, we are going to be using our ease access. To use the ease access, go to your search bar again and search for control panel. Now select the best match. Under the control panel, if your control panel is not displayed this way, you can go to viewed by and select category. Now you come to ease access center.
Always scan this section.
Right, then scroll down, and as you can see here, make the computer easier to see. So you click on that, scroll down and check this, turn off all unnecessary animations. So you check that and apply. But remember, after doing this, you need to restart the machine in order for this effect to take place. So you click on OK.
Always scan this section.
Close this and restart the PC, to the next step. Here we are going to be using the advanced settings. Now back to the search bar again, or if this PC is on your desktop, go to your search bar and type in this PC. Right click on it and go to properties. Now on the properties, on your right hand side, as you can see, we have here advanced system settings. So click on that, and under the advanced tab below is performance. So click on the settings and select adjust for best performance. So select that and apply. Okay, after this, restart your PC and there will be difference. Move to the next step. We are going to be using the run command again. So you can on your shortcut keys, press Windows key plus R and type in msconfig. Okay, now system configuration here. So you click on service tab, and the service tab, hide all Microsoft services, and then okay, that is it. Move to the next step. Go to your start button and click on your settings once again. Click on gaming and disable this and uncheck this. Open game bar, open Xbox game bar using this, and uncheck this and uncheck this. Open Xbox game bar using this button on a controller. After these settings, you can no longer use the shortcut key to open the game bar, but the CPU and the memory will be less stressed out, making your PC quicker and giving you more FPS. I hope all these steps works on your PC, and now your PC is fast as Lamborghini. These are not all the solutions to make your PC fast, but we have just selected the best out. And guys, if you also have a suggestion, leave it in the comments section. We'll do our possible best to reply you. And do subscribe if you are new to the channel, and don't forget to like. See you in the next video.